Archaeological artifacts reveals that humans have been using necklaces for thousands of years. In fact, even before prehistoric writing was started. Thus, for sure, necklaces have been an integral feature of human story. Whatever the region, necklaces have been continued as a major jewelry attraction for numerous millennia. And there is no doubt that they will continue to do so long after we are gone. Here we provide you details about the top 5 most expensive necklaces in the world. Number 5. Lev Leviv's Vivid Yellow Diamond Pendant. Israeli diamond merchant Lev Leviv put up this masterwork up for sale for a massive $10 million. The reason for the high price, this necklace features a fine 77.12 carat vivid yellow diamond enhanced by a string of white diamonds. Levi found that precious gem in one of his mines, and it has gone on record as one of the world's biggest ancient cut diamonds. The highest rating for a colored stone is Fancy Vivid, and this Lviv spectacle certainly qualifies in this category. Lviv in fact controls the world's third biggest group of diamond mines. The price could well go up considering the immense attention this beauty is attracting from explorers all over the world. Number 4. The Heart of the Kingdom. A creation of the renowned jewelry maker Garand and Company. This stunner features 155 carats of pear-shaped and round white diamonds placed in a band. These precious stones surround one of the largest Burmese rubies in the world, which sits at the middle of the piece. This heart-shaped ruby weighs an amazing 40.63 carats. Its attraction is increased by its deep blood pigeon red hue. In addition, the necklace is flexible as you can wear it as a tiara. The Heart of the Kingdom sports a total of 150 diamonds. A Swiss lab has certified that dazzling ruby is extremely rare and very authentic. No wonder the price tag is jaw-dropping $14 million. Number 3. The Heart of the Ocean. In the blockbuster movie Titanic, Rose, played by Kate Winslet, wore only this piece as Jack, played by Leonardo DiCaprio, drew a nude sketch of her on the doomed ship. The magnum opus features a heart-shaped blue diamond as pendant surrounded by white diamonds. The invaluable stones hangs from a string of white diamonds. The movie Titanic created a big interest in renowned jewelry to create their own edition of the Heart of the Ocean. Asprey and Garrett sold their production for $2.2 million, while Harry Winston's superior version ranked in an astounding $20 million. Number 2. Incomparable Diamond Necklace. The incomparable necklace cost a monstrous $55 million mainly because of its valuable pendant stone and internally flawless brownish yellow diamond weighing 407.48 carats. This stone is set in rose gold and accentuated by 91 white diamonds. The total weight of this stunner is an amazing 637 carats. Aesthetically, the incomparable resembles a vine as the main stone hangs from the stem. The necklace is invaluable because of its exotic, irregular design and the interesting tale behind it. Legend has it that the original stone was found by an impoverished girl in a few decades ago in Congo, Africa. The rare and precious gem became a major attraction in popular museums, including the Smithsonian, before it was cut and placed in the necklace by luxury jewelry Moworth. The 637-carat centerpiece gem is considered the biggest internally flawless diamond in the world. Number 1. A heritage in bloom. Chinese master craftsman Wallace Chan has designed this jewelry masterpiece named a Heritage in Bloom, which is estimated to be worth a sky-high $200 million, making it the topper in our list of most expensive necklaces. The piece has a total of 383.4 carats in precious stones, with the main Divine's colorless diamond along with worth a dazzling $35 million. On top of that, the necklaces sports 72 white marten fat jades, 114 icy green jades, 600 pink diamonds, and 19 more divine colorless diamonds. All these precious stones help to lift up the necklace's weight to a sizable half-pound. A Heritage in Bloom was designed with an internally flawless diamond carved from the Cullinan Heritage, a very rare 507.55 carat type IIA diamond. Type IIA guarantees that the diamond is free from impurities. Craftsmen worked for over 47,000 hours to create this masterpiece. An interesting fact is that the necklace has a modular design that can be sported in 27 ways.